Animalia kingdoms divided into the different phylum. First phylum is of Porifera. Porifera were derived from porus. Porus means pore, and feri, to bear. To bear, that is pores like bear, a pore bearing body. Their body contain different types of pores, that is of Porifera. The characteristics of Porifera is of animal diploblastic, acoelomate, cellular level organization, and porous body. Porous body. Then mostly found in seawater. Mostly found in seawater. That is present in marine water, fresh water, in fresh water also. Some examples is there. Spongilla, it is present in fresh water, otherwise all they are mostly present in the marine water or sea water. Body rounded, sac like. Rounded or sac like. The cavity is there. Cavity present called spongocele. Spongocele, that is not coelom or body cavity, that is the central cavity, that is of spongocele. Larva motile, adult stationary. Stationary. लार्वा जो होता है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव कर सकते हैं, बट नॉट एडल्ट्स. दे प्रेजेंट और अटैच्ड विद द वन सरफेस. इंट्रासेलुलर डाइजेशन. Digestion occur inside the cells. Spicules formed endoskeleton. And that is made up from calcium carbonate. That spicules, some spine-like structure is there, spicules there, which form the endoskeleton system, and that is made up from the calcium carbonate, CO3. Respiration, excretion through normal surface with the help of diffusion process. Through the directly disperse their excretory material and absorb oxygen gases with the help of normal surface or through the diffusion process. Reproduction, asexual budding, that is budding or gemmules, and sexual reproduction is there. Sexual reproduction is also present. Example, cycone, spongilla, Euspongia. These are the examples of phylum Porifera. Next phylum is of phylum Coelenterata. Phylum Coelenterata. The word is derived from koilos. Koilos means hollow, and enteron means intestine. That is hollow intestine. Normally it has hollow central cavity which is known as coelentron or gastrointestinal cavity. That's why it is hollow coelentron or hollow intestine is known as. The some characteristic feature is known as diploblastic animal diploblastic two layer germ layer is there. Acoelomate, coelom is absent. Tissue level of organization. If we see in the Porifera and Coelenterata, both the groups diploblastic and acoelomate, but in Porifera that cellular organization is there, but in this tissue level of organization is present. Mostly marine, that is habitat marine, but hydra in fresh water. Hydra present inside the fresh water. Central cavity present. Called coelentron. That is coelentron or gastrovascular cavity. Just like this body, central body with central body cavity. This is the central body cavity, and these are the two layers, one or two, and one opening pores present at the anterior points. That is known as ostia. So this cavity is known as gastrovascular cavity or coelentron. Animal exists in two forms. Exist in two form. That is of polyps and medusae. That is of polyps, and another is of medusae. Polyps, that is of solitary. Solitary का मतलब होता है अकेले रहना, solitary अकेले, और sometimes colonial. And it reproduce asexual. And medusae that are freely swim inside the water, that is known as medusae. It is existing two form. Polyps जो कि किसी एक जगह से चिपके हुए रहते हैं, उसको पोलिप्स कहते हैं. अकेले भी रह सकते हैं और कॉलोनी के फॉर्म में भी रह सकते हैं. एंड दे रिप्रोड्यूस एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. मेडुसी फ्री स्विमिंग. And they reproduce sexual reproduction. Reproduce with the help of sexual reproduction. Radial symmetry is there. Radial symmetry means body can be divided into two equal halves from any planes, that is of radial symmetry. So radial symmetry present in the Coelenterata. Alternation of generation present. Alternation of generation present. We studied in the plant kingdom what is the alternation of generation. When two generations present in any organism and one generation comes after another generation, that is known as alternation of generation. We studied there the two n generation and n generation is there, and n generation comes after the 2n generation, or after 2n generation n generation will come. This means after diploid, haploid will come, and then after haploid, diploid generation will come. That is of alternation of generation. Here in Coelenterata is also alternation of generation is there. So here animals exist in two forms, that is of polyps and medusae. The one form is of polyps, another form is of medusae. After polyps, medusae will be there. After medusae, polyps will be there. So these are the two form of the organism that is of dimorphic form, and after one form another form will come, that is of alternation of generation. The alternation of generation present, body have only one opening pores. Opening pore, that is ओस्टिया. एक ही ओपनिंग पोर होता है, उसको ओस्टिया कहते हैं. एंड अराउंड ओस्टिया फिंगर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज देयर. फिंगर लाइक structure present, that is known as tentacles, or that having nematoblast cells. These tentacles having nidoblast cells or nematoblast cells. Nidoblast cells that helping in the stinging of the enemies. Enemies को वो उनसे enemy से अपने आप को सेव करने में ये काम करती है. That is the helping the these contain the stinging cells, and these stinging cells is known as nidoblast cells. Digestion, inter or intracellular. Inter or intra. Inter or intracellular. Inside the cell or between two cell. डाइजेशन दोनों तरह का हो सकता है. सेल के अंदर भी हो सकता है, दो सेल के बीच में भी हो सकता है. रेस्पिरेशन एंड एक्सक्रीशन थ्रू डिफ्यूजन. respiration and excretion, that is through diffusion process. They also respire or excrete the different waste product with the help of normal surface. Examples of Coelenterata group, that is of Hydra, Aurelia, that is of jellyfish. Hydra, Aurelia, that is of jellyfish, is the example of Coelenterata group. So these are the different characteristics of Coelenterata groups.